Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thank you for joining us, and please stay watching for the Australian Stock Market Open Report. ASX 200 today. Why is the market in green at open today? The ASX 200 opened higher on Wednesday, gaining 8.90 points or 0.13% to 6,830.10 following a mixed close for Wall Street overnight. The US stocks halted a 6-day winning streak on Tuesday. Over the last 5 days, the index was virtually unchanged but gained 3.69% on a year-to-date basis. The ASX 200 flat on Tuesday, sitting at 6,821.20. While the broader All Ordinaries Index was down 0.82%, the ASX 200 VIX Index was up 3.309% in the opening trade. On Tuesday, while the S&P 500 settled down 0.11% to 3,911.23, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.03% to 31,375.83. NASDAQ Composite Index advanced 0.14% to 14,007.70. The Russell 2000 was up 0.40% to 2,299.00. In gainers and losers in the opening trade, the top performing stocks on ASX 200 were Graincorp Ltd and Eagers Automotive Ltd, up 4.74% and 4.25% respectively. Perseus Mining Ltd was up 3.81%. The bottom performing stocks were Challenger Ltd down 3.53% and Boral Ltd down 7.39%. Graincorp Group Ltd was also down 4.82%. In sectoral movement, almost all sectors were trading down in the early trade, while the ASX 200 AREIT was trading down 2.105%. The ASX 200 Healthcare was down 1.093%. The ASX 200 Consumer Discretionary was down 1.054%. The Australian dollar against the US greenback was trading 0.36% up at 0.7736. West Texas Intermediate crude rose 0.1% to $58.39 a barrel. In newsmakers, Commonwealth Bank of Australia CBA announced a fully franked dividend of $1.50 to be paid on the 30th of March 2021, despite a 10.8% dip in first half cash profit to 3.9 billion Australian dollars. Megaport has doubled its half-year loss to $38.4 million on sales, up 39.3% to $36.04 million. Pub owner ALE Property Group reported a 14.8% rise in first half distributable profit. Centuria Capital announced a net profit down 46% to $41.4 million and a 46% rise in revenue to $116.3 million Australian dollars. Thanks for your time watching. Sage here reporting for Kalkine Media.